Hi, my name is Kathy with WP Barista. Today we are going to tackle a common problem that comes with Gutenberg, or otherwise known as the block editor in WordPress. And that is getting so many blocks that it's confusing where the block is and how to edit it. And you get blocks inside of columns, inside of groups, and you click in it and for some reason it doesn't behave as you expected it to. One of the ways that you can figure out what's going on is by going to this, which is the block navigation. If you click it, it will let you know where you are right now. So right now my cursor is inside this, the paragraph, and that's what's highlighted. It's what's dark. And it is inside of the column, but it doesn't show me the whole page. It just shows me where I am right now. So the topmost of this block, it goes this column. You hover over, this is a neat trick to find the parent block. Hover over the paragraph, which is inside a child column. So I select that, hover over this child column, and we get the parent column block. See, it holds all three of these columns. Now, if there's another block that's a parent of this one, it would show up, but there's not. And see, that's highlighted right here. Columns is not inside of anything. So to see all of the blocks, what we can do is click outside of the block area. So we're not inside of any of the blocks. Click our block navigation, and we can see the outline. We can't see what's inside of everything. Like, it doesn't show us what's inside of the columns. It keeps it really simple. This is the outline. This weird block, it doesn't belong here. I don't know why it's here. So what I'm going to do is go here and try and get to the parent. Okay, that's the child column. That's the parent column, so that looks good. Then above that we have a group, which is good, except the group has something extra in here. Now I don't know what it is. So what I'm gonna, and it doesn't tell me. Like, I can click on it, all it tells me to do is add a block. So I'm just gonna add some random block, doesn't matter what it is. I'm just gonna type some text. Now I have a block in here, so now I can go to the parent. Apparently, this is a paragraph that I just added. Now I know it was in a child column block. So let's go to the column. Now let's go to the parent column. Apparently, this is a 2-column block. It's going full width, so it was messed up here somewhere, and now this is really confusing. But now that I added this paragraph, I know that I can go to the parent. There it is. But what if this is inside of another block? We want to go all the way to the end. So I'm going to the group. Whoop, this is where we stop. Now let's go back and stop a little bit earlier. Parent. Now I can remove this all. And now there's not that weird thing right here. So now if I go here, you'll see this is one child column, parent column, group, and we have just the right blocks right here. That's what we want. Now, Diane wants to move this below, so she's at the bottom of her page. So now we're at the bottom of the page. There's the bottom. There's another one right here. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to add a random block, a paragraph block. Then I can go to its parents. It's a group. I don't know why it's a group. I don't know why a group's here. It doesn't really matter. There's no parent above it, so this is as far as it goes, which is perfect. We can remove the whole thing. See, now there's no blocks here. If you hovered, you'd get the plus sign, but there's no extra blocks. Here, there's already a paragraph block. That's why it says that. So what we're going to do is start writing, remove it. These are just where to add blocks. Let's see. So this is our group. So let's go to the parent column. Okay, good. So we don't want to remove the whole column. We only want to remove the paragraph. Okay. So I don't think it's going to let me remove anymore, but there's the last one there. We're at the bottom. Okay. This is going to make things difficult for her. If she tries to move this whole group, there's 3 rows in here. There's 6 different 9 different sections. And on the bottom, there's this 3 group here. Now, I think they're supposed to be the same, but these are outside of this group. You can tell because this is the group. There's no parent above it. So what we're going to do is select this block. We're going to hold this down, and we're going to move it inside this group. Okay? So now, let's see, this goes to the group, and it's all part of the cover, column, spacer, group, group. So this is our one group. Goes all the way down here. And this is our other group. I think those are all of the things that we need to cover this time. If you have a page that you cannot figure out, send it to me. If it's something that I haven't done a tutorial on, I might be able to fix it for you for free, and we can help some other people while we're at it.